Hey, what's up guys? This is Daniel back from Bar Shield with another Bar Tip Tuesday. Today we're just going to go over bare steel pull-up bars and what you can do to maintain those to keep the rust or that patina off of those pull-up bars. Alright, so the two most common pull-up bars you're going to see in a gym are going to be obviously bare steel, so something like a Spiel bar that's made by Rogue Fitness, where it's going to have, you know, no protection against rust. It's going to give you that more raw feel where you feel like you're almost like stuck to the pull-up bar, especially when you start before you get all sweaty. And now the other side of the spectrum, you have the powder-coated ones, which are going to offer, you know, resistance to rust because it has that protective powder coat barrier. However, especially when you get sweatier, your hands tend to slide around a lot. So, in regards to the bare steel pull-up bars, one thing that you can do to maintain those is going to be to go through the same exact steps as you would with a bar. So it's a 4-step process. You grab your nylon brush, loosen up that patina, that surface rust, that blood, chalk, skin, whatever's on the pull-up bar, okay? After you do that, you're gonna apply a thin bead of our Bar Shield lubricant, which is made easy with our flip top cap, okay? So just a thin bead on top of the bar, work it in with the brush, and that alone is gonna serve as a barrier against that rust, okay? And then from there, you're just gonna wipe it down with a microfiber towel, just so you're not sliding everywhere, right? And then you are good to go. So whether you're doing this, you know, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever it is, it depends on your climate, you know, how humid is it, how many people are using your bars, that sort of thing. So just giving your bars a spot check when you walk into the gym. If you're, you know, the class yesterday, you know, chalk the crap out of the bars from doing a bunch of pull-ups, then it might be a good time to do that. So if you do care about this, some people love that look, that patina, that brownish, orangish, you know, spotted look on the bars. Some people like that look. But if you do plan on keeping that off the bars, or at least slowing it down, then that's a good place to start. So if you have any other questions, please hit us up, and we'll see you next week.